Ooh, there she is. She want to go walk? Where are you walking? Where are you walking today? My Stelly. She gonna smell where all the puppies went. It's a beautiful, gloomy day. It's supposed to get real windy. It's supposed to have gusts of 13 miles an hour coming soon, is what the news said just before I walked. Where you going? Come on, let's go walking. Walking isn't smelling. You get no exercise for your chubby belly. Come on, Sal. There's another big pretty tree. Maybe we'll see some wildlife today. Hello, kitty. There's a kitty that lives over there. Yes, there is. My kitty and that kitty sit about 10 feet apart on each other's little territory and meow at each other. Yeah, Stelly, this is good for you. This is good for you, Stell. It's good for Mommy, too. It's good for Mommy. Mommy's walking Stella. If it's bouncy, I don't have a gimbal thing. Gimbal. I don't have my gimbal. That's what it is. I don't know this stuff. I'm a 60-plus-year-old lady. There's a puppy saying hello to you. Lots of pretty. Oh, there's the wind. That's chilly. The temperature is 59 degrees. Said it feels like 56 with the wind. Ooh, there's the wind. See? I guess the news was right. Ooh, they're windy. Sorry about that. Oh my God. I have to block the wind out of my camera. Block the wind. Yep. I'm blocked with my hand. That's silly. Okay, we got a potty break going on. Look at, isn't this cute? Things will grow anywhere. That's pretty, all these ferns. They're probably taking over, which isn't good because they're everywhere. The Boston ferns grow like wildfire here. Good thing she poo-pooed. Good girl. We got dumpsters right nearby. And I walk with a little bit of a limp normally, but I have a broken toe that's healing too. But finally, I can walk without making it excruciating. Let's throw the poopy in the dumpster, Stelly. Come on. Okay, Mommy had to go throw your poo-poo. Okay. Where you want to walk today? Let's not do I don't want to do a walk through the doggy park. She likes the doggy park a lot if there's doggies. Yep, she likes the doggy park a lot if there are doggies. There is a puppy in the doggy lot, Stella. Hello. There's a puppy in the doggy lot, Stella. What do you smell? Do you want to go play Stelly? This is the area of the campground that is part-timers, like months or weeks, seasons. All the property goes way back. Beautiful place to walk and ride. They got these little rustic cabins. They have AC and power. You got to bring your water and all, little toteable stuff. It's like a tent plus, I guess is the best way to put it. Oh, steady. I think you still have to use, there's puppies in the doggy park. Do you want to go play? You do? Okay. Yeah. They remember you. You talking? You're so excited. You want to play? Hello. Hello.
Are you going in that side over there?
Either way.
They've played before. Excuse me. If she's going to go in there, I'm going to move Momo out.
Oh, you have a baby in there?
Yeah, baby.
Kitty cat? She has her own kitty cat. She loves kitties. Do the other ones bother the kitten?
I don't know. I'm going to just set her outside.
Okay. Stella has her own kitten. She likes kitties. So she's not a danger that way.
He's almost 20 years old.
Yeah, no, he doesn't need to be stressed.
Just watching these three dogs from a distance.
Yes. Wait a minute.